my name is Brad. I have brought today a 75 Porsche 914, which I've owned for a couple years. This car has got a little special place in my heart. I bought one brand new in 1975 when I was 18 years old and had it for 4 years. Loved the car. Wanted to be able to relive my youth and get another one, and fortunate to find one that is a complete restoration with rotisserie paint done. This particular one is a 75 with the copper metallic paint, which was a 1 year only color. The car's been restored and is in very original condition. That's about it.